Today we are unlocking the power of Python dictionaries in just 10 minutes. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and you want to boost your programming skills, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you never miss out on our coding tutorials. Python dictionaries are incredibly powerful for managing data. They store data in key value pairs, allowing you to quickly access, modify, and grow your data collections with ease. First, let's see how to create a dictionary. It's simple. Let me show you. Let's take a simple variable, my dict equal to open braces and closing braces. In between, we'll mention one key. For example, name and its value. Let's take another key which is age, and we'll assign some value 30. Third value we can take city, for example New York. So this is how we can create dictionary in Python. Now let's see how to access the data. So if we want to access name from my dict, we need to write my dict in square brackets and the key name. Let's try to print it. So here you can see name is Shmiyans. So using the key name, we can access the value of a dictionary. It is as simple as that. Now what if we want to add a new value into my dictionary? So let's try to add that as well. So my dict, using the square bracket, we can write email, which is our new key, and then equal to sign, and we can simply assign ikamal.h.mehta@shmiyans.com. So now we have added a new attribute into the my dictionary, which is email, and we have assigned an email address as a value to that particular key. So now let's try to print it. Same way, email my dict using the square bracket and write your key name. Save it and let's try to execute it. Here you can see we have successfully accessed the attribute email. Now what if we want to modify any attribute? So my dict age, let's make it 40. Print age my dict. So this is how we can access the modified value. Let's try to print it. Here you can see now we are printing modified value. So we saw accessing the value, adding a value, modifying a value. Now we will check removing the value. So there is a keyword del. So using that keyword, we will be able to delete the existing attribute of a dictionary. So let's try to delete city, my dict city, and then we'll print a complete dictionary. Print dictionary my dict, original dictionary. Let's print first original dictionary, then delete, and then modified dictionary. Let's try to execute it again. So you can see original dictionary contains the city attribute, whereas modified dictionary has successfully removed that. So there is an alternative as well to remove an element or a key from the dictionary. So let's see that. So email equal to my dict dot pop print email and print modified dictionary my dict. So let's try to run it. So you can see email is successfully popped out from the dictionary, and now modified dictionary is like this. It doesn't contain email attribute. Now in some cases you want to know how many keys are available in a particular dictionary. So using that, there is a keys method which we can utilize to find out all the keys of a dictionary. So here my dictionary dot keys, this particular function will return all the keys available in a particular dictionary. So let's try to print it. Similarly, we have a values method as well. So that will print all the values. So let's try this. So here you can see all keys are name and age, All values are Sneansh and the age. So like this, as you can see, dictionaries are flexible and efficient for handling data. They are an essential part of Python and a must know for any program. If this tutorial helped you understand Python dictionaries, please give us a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Any questions or suggestions for the future topics? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy coding.